Hunter x Hunter, my second most favorite shonen anime after One Piece. It's a mind blowing story. If you haven't seen it, then you ain't living right. Now, Hunter x Hunter is great, but it's still incomplete due to some reasons. Now, those people who are living under rock, let me tell you, Hunter x Hunter is on hiatus for 2.5 years now. It has been not a single chapter since then. Fans are getting hopeless of the series ever returning. But there was some ray of hopes, I guess. Honestly, hints and rumors, not news, from the voice actor of Gon and Killua that they are recording for a certain project. And by this, the fans are hyped up for the series to return. But, but, let me crush your hopes this time. Hunter x Hunter is never returning, and by my speculation, I have accumulated some points on why the series is long gone and is never coming back. So let's get into it without wasting time.
You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Baby, you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you.
Number 1. Creator's Health Issue. Yoshihiro Togashi, the creator of Hunter x Hunter, started this manga in 1999, 2 years after One Piece started, and since then Togashi got into this never ending circle of drawing manga, which affected him both physically and mentally. And now, those who don't know, Togashi has a problem of chronic back pain, which he specifically got from continuous drawing, and the mental pressure which he had was kind of immense. So, because of this, it started a great era of hiatus. And this is not a joke. Japanese industry looks fun and interesting from the outside, but often the audience ignores the dark side. The animators getting paid less, the inhuman manga deadlines, and this is also a reason of high suicide ratio in Japan. I don't care what others say, but being a mangaka is an ass whooping job. I still can't believe how Oda, the creator of One Piece, or any other mangaka, draws a chapter every week for years of their life. Now, back to the point. Even if Togashi had his long 2 years break and is well rested, it will not affect the manga. The chronic back pain problem never goes. It stays with you your whole life, and I am not bluffing. My own father still has his problem due to his work issues. So, even Togashi starts the manga, it will always be the same. He will again go in the same cycle of hiatus and long breaks, which will make the scenario same as the lifetime it was. Point number 2. Lack of consistency. One Piece gets 36 minimum chapters per year, which is 3 chapters per month. Now compare it to the Hunter x Hunter manga. Togashi draws 10 chapters per year, that's not even a chapter a month. Now I am not criticizing it, but I am conveying that by this consistency, there will be no sufficient anime material to adapt. Like I was shocked to hear that it took 2 years to serialize Dressrosa, the second longest arc in One Piece. But when I got to Chimera Ant arc in Hunter x Hunter, I was shocked to hear that it took fucking 8 years to serialize. Now, Chimera Ant arc is 132 chapters and Dressrosa is 102 chapters long. So now you can understand the lack of consistency in Hunter x Hunter due to health and other issues. So the anime is out of the picture. No studio is going to even touch Hunter x Hunter, still sufficient material to adapt is there, and that's also a reason why the early anime adaptation of 1999 was stopped due to the irregular chapter release. Point number 3. Togashi's age. Now, believe it or not, age is not just a number if I talk about physical strength. Right now, Togashi is 55 years old and his age is deteriorating. As time is passing, he is losing grip over the manga and his own health. Personally, he really has a lot of physical and mental stress due to the manga, so returning will be as daunting as hell for him. And for those who still thinks that the Hunter x Hunter anime will adapt the remaining chapters, then forget it. Like, think about it. It's not even logical for the studio to adapt a small arc and an ongoing arc which they don't even know that it will actually even complete, and that's the Dark Continent itself. Point number 4. Hiring an artist. Togashi doesn't want to hire an artist, and pretty much anyone can understand that he gave a huge amount of time of his life to this story, and he really wants to complete it himself, ignoring the fact that how efficient it will be to transfer all the physical work to other young artists. He really wants to end it himself. And if it would have been the time to hire an artist, he could have hired his own wife, as she is the creator of Sailor Moon, a mangaka herself. And by finishing, once in an interview, he said that he really wanna end Hunter x Hunter himself. But it was in 2018, so I don't think it makes sense now. Now, for the last part of the video, which is what I personally think. So, I don't care if Hunter x Hunter never come back or never gets completed. Let me explain. Hunter x Hunter provided us with a lot of good quality content throughout years. For me, Chimera and Dark will be always one of the best arc in shonen histories. I will still love the adorable friendship between Gon and Killua. I will love every aspect of the story, which is I enjoyed throughout the watch time. And I know there is a lot to explore in Hunter x Hunter world. There is a lot we want to know about Gon and Jing, the Dark Continent, but there is no string attached to this in the story. So even if it's not fully explored or fully completed, there will always be enough content to enjoy in the series. And I will always be grateful to Togashi for creating this masterpiece. And I don't want him to die for our own selfish reasons, obviously. You can actually have an optimistic approach for things. Who knows, one day he comes out with a full completed volume of Dark Continent. Anything is possible, and if everything goes well, so who knows, he actually hires his own wife to complete it, as he said this in an interview that if he would be not be able to continue his work, his wife might complete it herself. So this is it for this video. If you have any problem or suggestion for me, please feel free to comment down below. I'll be posting some other anime related content, so stay tuned.